This week we're going to start with working on some coding activities for the first few days. So on Miss Page's Lab there is a link to a site called Tinker. It says Tinker Coding. And when you pull it up, you're going to sign in with your Google account. So you're not going to type in your username and password over here. You're going to click on the red button that says sign in with Google. When you get logged in, it may ask you what your experience level is with coding: beginner, never coded, intermediate, coded before, or advanced, coded a lot. So you pick which one you think you are there, and then it'll ask you for some of your interest, and then it will go to your dashboard that looks like this. Now, I know there's lots of stuff here. I see a Minecraft character, all this stuff. What I want you to do is click on this little monster right here. This is where we're going to begin the Programming 100 section. So you're going to click on that section, and then you're going to start at number 1, Welcome to Tinker. And then if you finish all those, then you'll move on to Candy Quest. If you finish all those, then there's Animated Card Creator, Dragon Dash, Comic Creator, and Pattern Maker. All those activities that we're going to be working on. If you get finished with all those, then you could do some of these, like Arrow Code or some of the other things that are in Tinker. Now, not all of them are free, so some of them you may not be able to do. But all of these in Programming 100 are free, and those are where we are beginning. So when you click on an activity, you're going to have to click on the button to get started along your path. So there's an introduction, and then a video, and then introductions to the puzzles, collecting the tablet, move Gus, alien sounds, and then a quiz at the end, and then you've completed the lesson. So you just click on the button to get started. And it's going to take you through exactly what you need to do. This is block coding, so you'll be moving the different directions over that you're going to need. So it just says, hi there, welcome to Tinker, click anywhere to continue. So we're going to click through all this, and he's going to explain how the block coding works. Once you get through that section, then there's going to be a video that you're going to watch, and then when we're done with that, up here in the top corner there's a little orange continue button, and I click on that to move me through to my next area. Now we're into where we're actually going to code our little guest to get to the tablet. So we're going to click to continue, and then we have our on start, so everything has to connect to that box or it won't do anything. And then we have our blocks of code over here. So we drag them over. We want him to walk to get to the tablet. But if we just put one walk over there, that's not going to be far enough. So we need 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 walks. Now they have to connect. And then when we're ready and we think we have him, we click the little orange arrow button to make him do what we have programmed him to do. So he got to the tablet by the code that we wrote. I get my stars, and I click next. If we don't do it right, it's okay. You can always try it again. Hopefully it won't take as long to load. So now you have something new. Now you're going to learn jump. So as you play, it adds in new things for you to learn and makes the puzzles a little bit harder. Maybe I can't figure it all out at once. Maybe I need to do it step by step. So I have him walk 1, and I click play and see what he does and see where he is. And then I add on. I can hit play as many times as I need. I can change my code. It's okay if I don't do it right the first time. I just do a little trial and error and figure out what I need. It's totally fine. As I work through the lessons, you can see I am 40% of the way done with that one. I'm just going to keep working. We're going to work on this for several days. I just want you to keep working in these activities and get as far as you can.